Good morning, class. So, have you ever thought about which animals and organisms eat other animals and organisms? What about why humans eat all kinds of huge animals, even though we are way, way smaller? What about plants? They don't seem to eat anything. They just seem to get eaten, right? Well, today, class, we are going to find out. Our topic today is food chains, class. Food chains show the feeding relationship in a given environment, which basically means they show what gets eaten by what. Talked a lot about how energy must be harnessed and used for something to be considered alive, right? Well, in a food chain, energy is simply passed from one organism to another. Think about it. A food chain often starts with a plant, as it does not really eat anything, but is eaten by many things. How does a plant get its energy? Photosynthesis and cellular respiration, right? And that energy comes from the what? The sun. So, the start of a food chain is generally the energy from the sun being transferred to the plant. Now, we've said that food in consumer organisms is used to give that organism energy, right? So when the next small animal, say a bird, eats that plant, from where is this bird drawing energy? The plant. Now, if a much bigger animal, say a dog, eats that bird, from where is the dog getting his energy? The bird. This process would continue on and on until we got all the way up to humans, who are pretty much the top of the top when it comes to the food chain. So you see, food chains really track the original source of the energy, which is almost always the sun, until its final use in an organism, which is the thing that just doesn't get eaten itself. In the case above, for instance, the food chain goes sun, plant, bird, dog. But this is just one example. Can you think of any food chain systems you might have recognized in nature?